Hello.
Hello.
My name is Svetlana. I'm very glad to meet you, and I welcome you to our project. I will be the life coach and your emotional support and guide person in this process.
When I sent the email, I wanted very much to be one of them, but I wasn't sure if I can do it or not, if I could find the time to do it. After when Tatiana told me that I would be one of them, from the one side I was very happy because it was a very good opportunity for me, a very big present. But I had the problem at this time with my mom. She didn't feel very well, she had a problem. I was thinking maybe I don't find the time to help her. After I speak with my mom and she tell me, no, you have to do it. You have to lose weight. You have to change your life. You have to feel nice with your life. Okay, after I lost my mom, now I think that I have to do it for her. It's good for me that I have you to share all this.
I am very glad to be here for you. There is great love for you here. If there is any time you would like to call me and talk, you can access me anytime you like. I will be always there for you, day or night. I don't mind, just to let you know.
Thank you.
You grab your wrist and exhale. High five. You can do it in your head. You can do like this. And nobody knows what you're doing, and you're helping yourself. You're looking after yourself. You're calming yourself down.
Now I feel like, you know, like 50 kilo from my shoulders is gone. I feel so relaxed, and I'm very happy because I met you. Really, I feel very relaxed. I feel so relaxed. I want to cry because it's very nice feeling. Все. Все.
Я прямо прочувствовала, да? Я просто в этот момент думаю, что меня это очень нормально. Это нормально вообще. Вас никто сейчас не снимает. 90% людей в основном плачут. Очень редко, когда человек не...
How is your mood? How is your... So and so.
A bit scary with children, work, my husband, ice skating.
I'm here to help you with that. It's very important to take time for yourself.
I use my imagination how I can look when I lose weight and the operation. But at the same time, it's make me a bit nervous and scary. How everything will be done. The new project, I think, for Cyprus, and I am first time in the project in my life to be public as well. Some comments, I believe some have good comments, some
Yes.
maybe not so.
We will also prepare for
Yes.
that, and we have to remember that people sometimes, for whatever reason it is they have, not very friendly and maybe not as positive and as...
Jealousy.
Well, yes, there is jealousy, of course. We're all human, and we're gonna do our best to prepare ourselves for that
Our life going to change after that project as well.
change. And the change can be very scary sometimes.
You don't know how you're going to look after that, how the people who is around you going to accept you after this big change, how they're going to accept this publishing, you know.
Yes.
But we live in the small country, and how it's going to work after that.
I'm here for you. I will be watching your back.
For me, it's very interesting and amazing experience, the whole process from the first day to the last day with the results.
Because once it's finished, it's not there anymore, and the most fun we're having while we're doing it. And I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you at every step of the process. Anything you would like to talk about, anything you would like to help you with, you can call me at any time of the day, talk about anything you like. I'm here for you. I got you back.
Thank you.
So anytime, please come to me. And me as a life coach, as a energy, psychology worker, I will be there for you.
Thank you very much. I will never know what will happen, what we will meet during the project.
Yes, it's only the beginning now, and we're all excited and we're all positive and we're looking forward to it. But whatever happens during, we will work through it. Would you like to win this project?
I never think about it because it's so interesting, the whole process for me. And of course I really think about the good results for all the participants. I believe that all of us will be winners in our ways. More important to be perfect in each moment of the project.